So, tow truck's behind me, so that means Magic Day is finally here. We're gonna be throwing the cab on the chassis, and then tomorrow bringing it home. Let's see how sketchy this is, but. We're on the way right now. I'm kind of getting nervous because I think this is gonna be like the last risky thing that we have to do, and I've been pretty lucky with risky things recently, and everything is, oh shit, the jack. Okay, well, never mind. But I've been pretty lucky with everything, and I don't know, hopefully we don't fuck this up, but let's see how this goes. You ready or what? Now the nightmare starts.
No, motherfucker. Just make sure we don't hit the cab. With the tent. Watch your feet. What are you doing? You picking it around? All the way. Do it over. All the way. Right?
Fucking perfect.
No, we needed some buff ass food.
Alright, I'll see you later. I know, bro. Fucking Ralph is not here.
Got a bunch of fat food. Ralph would have got into that shit. We're gonna pick this up right now? Yeah. Fuck no. Dude! We thought we were gonna pick it up last time, and that. Did you see all the bondo that went into this shit?
Really?
That's
I didn't. So then that's why you put the two strong guys in the front.
Where am I gonna grab from?
Back here.
Alright. You guys wanna slip with that?
Nah, fuck no. 2, 1. Oh, this shit's tight as fuck.
Sit it on the tires.
Ooh. What the fuck? I thought you made it seem like this shit was so heavy.
1, 2, 3.
I'm like, none of the way. Where's the plug at, Todd?
Vlog right now. We forgot to put the fucking mounts. But we'll figure that out right now.
Fuck them out. Hey, you want?
I'm not paying attention.
I hope you were recording.
I did. Come here, Cam. Already lying.
Oh my god.
So now what I want you to see record it.
That you
Better put that clip over if you're recording. I told you
What?
to empty the fucking cab and we just pick it up.
Yeah. Well, you know, you live and you learn.
Next time, listen to the
Alright.
Why are you breathing so hard?
What?
Why are you breathing so hard?
I thought because you came, you know? Yeah.
Oh my god. I think I'm gonna squirt. Fuck.
You guys are both fucking clowns, bro.
Yeah, I wanted to be.
Yeah, I know, but we need to put. Wait, does that one doesn't get a washer, huh? The top one, the one in the cab.
Yeah, it goes on top, so the bolt doesn't. This sits on, the washer goes on top, and then the bolt.
No, because this is the one that goes on the cab.
You wanna lift it? Wait, fool. Go on the front.
All right, ready? 1, 2. There. Oh. We need to get a wrench for the other side on the other side, you know what I mean?
What other side on the other side?
On the front, because remember how they bolt on like that?
Bottom bolt?
Yeah, we need. Oh, fucking.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Oh wow.
Yes, sir. That was promoted.
Hey, let's see it though. Like, can you put it at the cab? Sheesh. How do you feel?
No sheesh, man.
Amazing. Very excited. What do you mean no sheesh?
Help me fucking finish.
Man, that shit looks bad as fuck. All right, let me go underneath. All Alright, go for it.
Ready, set, go.
There.
Ooh, I know.
Hey, you're gonna have to loosen those again, because those are supposed to be the torque.
I know. I will. After
We did the one with
Torque body mount.
oh, when your fucking cab is cocked in the front and not in...
When you don't have a cab, because you have a car.
who needs this extra hardware?
I feel like a freaking Maury cameraman.
I'll fix this shit later.
Alright.
Alright,
Action!
Cab's on. I'm super excited. I wish I could see it, but it's fucking black, so it is what it is. Thank you, Weddle. You're a legend. And everyone who showed up to help right now.
Just in case you guys don't know, my homeboy Will hooked me up with this bad boy right here.
So,
see? Take care of people and they take care of you. Come on, players.
alright. So I guess I'll be back here tomorrow to throw this shit on a fucking trailer because we disconnected the steering right now. So let's see how this shit goes. Crazy, bro. Fucking crazy.
Why you always doing shit at night, fool?
I know. Fuck me, right?
Real, dude.
Why? That's what I get for working 16 hours every day.
I sound like Pop right now, huh? Why always working at night?
Hey, watch the paint.
Don't worry, bro.
It's right, fool.
I know a good painter.
It's right, fool. You know a painter.
All right.
Day 2.
All right, guys. Me and Weddle just pushed the truck out right now. The tow truck driver got here at the perfect time, so load this thing up and take it back home. All right, well, I'm super stoked. We're on the way home right now. Go drop this thing off and get its hibernation spot so I can get the rest of the parts, but it looks amazing and fuck, I can't wait to do everything I have to do left so I can drive this damn thing already. We put the bed on now, me and my dad did. I didn't record it because he doesn't want to be recorded, so yeah, but right now I'm just kind of moving stuff around and getting it so we can put it in. But here's what the truck looks like. So there's the truck. It looks amazing. The bed's not really bolted down, it's just put on because I gotta take it off to mount the gas tank. I got the rest of the stuff right there to put this thing back together, but yeah, it looks amazing, so badass. Definitely need some wider wheels, but I'll get to that eventually. The diffuser looks amazing. The truck is finally starting to come together. Oh man, I'm so excited. But unfortunately though, this thing has to sit in the garage for a couple more weekends before I can actually start putting it back together and trying to get this thing to run. I'm still waiting on parts. I'm waiting for my fuel injectors. I'm waiting for my fuel rails. And I think that's really it. Oh, and I need to order the little Holley Terminator X to control the system with the turbos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. The truck's finally looking like a truck.